Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home. Over time, they may deteriorate, leading to a range of problems that can affect your quality of life. If you're a homeowner in Birmingham, knowing the signs that indicate you need a window replacement can save you money, improve your home's appearance, and increase its value. Here are the key warning signs that it's time to consider replacing your windows. Drafts and increased energy bills. If you feel a noticeable draft near your windows, even when they're closed, it's a sign of poor insulation. Old or damaged windows allow air to escape, forcing your heating and cooling system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. This can result in significantly higher energy bills. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models can help lower your utility costs while keeping your home cozy year-round. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Windows should operate smoothly without excessive force. If you struggle to open or close them, it could be due to warped frames, broken mechanisms, or years of wear and tear. This not only makes daily use frustrating but can also be a safety hazard, especially in an emergency situation where quick escape is necessary. Condensation between the glass panes. Foggy windows with condensation between the panes indicate a failed window seal. When this happens, moisture gets trapped inside, reducing the window's insulation properties. Over time, this can lead to mold growth and further deterioration. Newer windows with advanced sealing technology help prevent condensation issues and provide better insulation. Outside noise is more noticeable. Do you hear excessive street noise inside your home? Older or single-pane windows often lack proper insulation, allowing sound to penetrate more easily. Modern double or triple-pane windows come with noise-reducing features, helping you enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Visible damage or decay. Inspect your window frames and sashes for visible signs of damage, such as cracks, warping, or rot. Wooden window frames, in particular, can suffer from water damage and decay over time. If you notice peeling paint, soft wood, or structural weakening, it's time for a replacement to prevent further issues like water leaks and mold growth. Frequent window repairs. If you find yourself constantly fixing locks, seals, or cracks in your windows, it may be more cost-effective to replace them altogether. Frequent repairs can add up over time, making window replacement a smarter long-term investment. Fading furniture and flooring. Old windows may lack UV protection, allowing harmful sun rays to enter your home and fade your furniture, flooring, and curtains. Modern windows come with UV-resistant coatings that block out damaging sunlight while still allowing natural light to brighten your space. Water leaks around the windows. If you notice water pooling near your windows during or after a rainstorm, it could indicate a failing seal or cracks in the frame. Water intrusion can lead to mold growth, structural damage, and unhealthy indoor air quality. Replacing your windows will ensure a watertight seal and protect your home from costly water-related damages. Your home looks outdated. Windows play a huge role in your home's curb appeal. If your windows look outdated, faded, or mismatched, upgrading to modern styles can significantly enhance your home's aesthetic and increase its market value. Whether you're looking for a sleek contemporary design or classic wood frames, new windows can transform the look of your home instantly. Security concerns. Older windows with weak locks or brittle glass can be an easy target for intruders. Modern windows come with improved security features such as reinforced locks, impact-resistant glass, and multi-point locking systems. Replacing outdated windows enhances your home's security, giving you greater peace of mind. Final thoughts. If you've noticed any of these warning signs in your Birmingham home, it may be time to invest in window replacement. Upgrading your windows not only improves energy efficiency and security but also enhances the overall comfort and value of your home. Consult with a trusted window replacement expert to explore your options and enjoy the benefits of new, high-quality windows as soon as possible.